Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so in today's episode we've got the client's TV, which was here in October. Now, the first time when you turn it on, you can see there are two videos about Samsung 70-inch. You can see that the backlight is on all the time, yes? It doesn't restarting. So the LED, yes, is constantly on. Whereas this time, unfortunately, customer had it for those 2 months or something, and it's a completely different fault. It's restarting. See, it's on, off. On, off. So when I'm tapping, it doesn't flash, yes? Once the backlight is on, it's restarting, then it will start to, give us white spot where I'm holding the hand. Oh. So it's for a split of a second, but that's what's happening. Unfortunately for the customer, it's another repair, so I've offered 50% of my labor cost. But for the parts, customer will have to cover the cost. If it's a backlight, well, customer will swap it, and for another few years, it will be okay. If it's a power supply, maybe I can fix the power supply, or don't. But let's open and let's see what's causing that. Is it a backlight and causing the short to the power supply, or is it a power supply which is faulty? Okay, because restarting shouldn't be caused on that short span. Restarting shouldn't be caused by the main board. So I wouldn't say, because as well you've got this red light. Yes, it's off, on, and trying and count. Yes. So for me, it's completely different fault. Let's wait and see. Now the first test we're gonna do is the test of just disconnected main board, which I'm like 99% sure that it won't change anything. Yes. But I was wrong. We've got a constant backlight. Off. And on. So in that case it's a mainboard looking like, but let's disconnect LVDS signal, okay, first. Okay guys, when I've disconnected LVDS signal, this automatically switch on, so it might be in this case the issue with the display itself, okay, not the main board, because we can hear the main board, that there was a sound on the boot up, and there is no issue with a backlight nor with a power supply. So I would bet on the display, but we don't have a signal. Okay, we don't have any picture because I've disconnected all the LVDS signals. Yes, so I will try to cut off some of those signals this time and see, you know, what's causing that. Maybe one of the signals is just causing a short, yes, back to the mainboard, and fingers crossed the mainboard survived after that. The first time was a different fault, because if you had always backlight on, yes, and I was trying to cut off those signals and that didn't change anything, then, you know, that's it, that's the mainboard faulty. But this time we had the difference when we disconnecting, yes. So let's fingers crossed that it will be, you know, it will resolve the issue. Okay, I've cut off with Kapton tape left side of this. I don't know, you probably don't see that. There is a half is cut off. Oh, I can see the tape right now. Okay, so maybe you can see the tape. Let's plug it in. It's too many, yes. I should only cut off like one or two, but I want to make a test. And oh, I see already that it's bad, so either it will switch on or no. It did switch on, but nothing on the display, so I need to check the other side. Okay, so I've swapped the sides, and now the tape is on the right hand side. I know it's, you know, it's more than we should, yes, but I want to cut off to see, you know, if I will see any difference, if it will be worse or better. Still switching on, but there's still no display, so we don't know which pins we need to cut off. I will have to, you know, deal with it for a longer time, so I'll pause it, and when I will find the solution, I'll check middle section as well, because I did check the left and right, and now the middle only has left, so I'll check the middle section, and then I will start to cut off smaller pieces, and then go in, you know, with less pins at one time, yes. And then once I will find the solution or no, I will get you updated on this. So guys, I know it. There is a short somewhere on the side of the display, and this time it's I think, you know, it's just my theory that this time it's either the same fault only showing in a different way, or it's a new fault caused by the previous fault, or it's a completely new fault and it's only a display side. Now there is a driver board, this, and this driver board is shorting the power which should supply the display power, and either I will find the cause of it, okay, or it's a no fix. So I will call it a day in this video, because I need to look into it. I'm not expert with the displays, and I'm still waiting on the device to test displays from China, and then we will build a table when this device will come. So, you know, it will take me several weeks at least. Hopefully that device from China will come, you know, quite quickly before the Christmas. Today is the 4th of December 2022. So fingers crossed, you know, this device will come quickly and we can test display. I've got plenty of displays to test, and we can then have a proper backlight table here up to 75 inches, and then on it we can test those displays in an open space, open area, So you just put the display and connect that device. It's up to 4K, so it's okay, you know, and that's it, you know. That's all we need. So guys, that's it in this episode. Sorry that I couldn't resolve this issue. For the part 1, it's a no fix, and if I will find a solution what I did, and you know, how can I help this customer without taking out the display, because I can't solder on it, yes, like that. It's in some of the things you can solder, some of the things you will be really struggling to solder. So you know, it's like a no happy days, and I don't want to risk clients TV more than I have to. And it's a big size screen, it's really difficult to handle. You can damage yourself or you can damage TV, yes. So you know, it's no fun. With up to 55 inches, I would say that's a good size to work with. Everything above 55 inches is start to be becoming more and more you know, less pleasant to work with. Okay, so when it comes to this one, I'll check it now, yes. If I will find a solution, I will post second video straight away. If I won't find a solution, you know, maybe hopefully sometime in the future you will see part 2 for this video. And that's it, guys. That's everything, you know. Thank you for watching. If you did like, here's likes to you. Thank you for subscribing if you did as well. That's it. If possible, let's fix them all. But see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.